1 Minute Ukrainian Lesson 3. Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Ukrainian, where you can learn Ukrainian 1 minute at a time with me, Mark.
And me, Oksana.
We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Ukrainian. You can guarantee that if you say this to a Ukrainian speaker, they will be very impressed with your skills. And remember that a little language goes a long way.
The clock is ticking, so let's get learning.
Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for the Ukrainian language in Ukrainian is
Українська мова.
Let's repeat that.
Українська мова.
Now, when you say I speak Ukrainian, you don't need to say language, but you do need to change the word українська a little. Listen carefully to how Oksana says I speak Ukrainian.
Я розмовляю українською.
So to say that you speak Ukrainian, you say
Я розмовляю українською.
Listen again, Oksana. We'll say it slowly. Repeat each word after Oksana.
Я розмовляю українською.
Okay, listen one more time.
Я розмовляю українською.
We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it's safer to say, I can speak a little Ukrainian. The word for a little is
Трошки.
So putting this together with
Я розмовляю українською.
you would say,
Я розмовляю трошки українською.
now that sounds quite tricky, so let's listen to it again. And Oksana, if you can say it slowly, please.
Я розмовляю трошки українською.
Excellent. Try it one more time.
Я розмовляю трошки українською. Time's up.
I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Ukrainian-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet.
That's all for today. Дякую, до побачення.
Дякую, до побачення. This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.